I'm getting the views on my channel, but my subscribers are not increasing. Is it really true? Why? Because I see many of the YouTubers saying that, yes, it's 100% true. And this is because of one of the setting that you would have made while uploading the video. You would have done that knowingly or unknowingly. So make sure you're going to watch till the end because I'm going to share how to fix that as well. So welcome to Sriram Benur channel. Now, why does this happen? When you upload the video, I'm sure you might be sharing your YouTube video link to in social media platforms, maybe on Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram or something, so that you can get views to your channel, correct? Now, here is something. When you share the link, most of the times, there might never be a subscribe button on that video. Now, why does it happen? It is because of one of the settings that would have been made while uploading the video. Now, because of that, though you are getting the views where people are actually watching your videos, still you are not seeing the subscriber increase. Why? Because they don't have an option to subscribe itself and they never land on your channel also. So let me tell you how to fix this. So to give you an example, I'm going to show a particular video right now. Now if you see in this first video, whatever I'm posting right now, correct? Now this particular video is directly playing in the app without any controls for it, either like or subscribe or share. There are no controls on that, correct? Now let me also show you another video. Now when I post this on WhatsApp, you could see that it is directly taking to YouTube, where people can like, share and also subscribe to the channel, correct? Now why is this? Because of the setting. So let me just quickly show you what is that particular setting. So right now I am in my YouTube studio and I have just clicked on edit against one of the video. Okay, so I just clicked on edit for this best video editing software video. When I scroll down, you see an option here called as allow embedding. Now what is actually allow embedding? Now when we select this, so what happens is your video is going to directly play in any particular website or platform it has been shared. Say for example, if it is shared in WhatsApp, it is going to directly play in the WhatsApp platform. Now, if you are, if somebody is including your video link in some of their website, it is going to directly play there. It is not going to come back to YouTube. But the thing is, the views whatever you are going to get from this embedded platforms, certainly that is going to be considered for monetization or the views whatever you are going to get. Okay, so let me show you how exactly this works. Okay, for this video, allow embedding is selected. Okay, so let me just quickly copy the video link and share it in WhatsApp group. Okay, say for example, I'm just sharing it here, and when I enter this video has allow embedding, correct? Now if I just click on play, you can see that it is directly playing within the WhatsApp platform and there is never going to be a subscribe button, right? So that's the reason you get the views but you don't get the subscribers. Now, what if, what happens in other platforms? Say for example, if somebody includes your video link in their website, okay, example, I have just included in one of my website. So this is how it looks, okay. If it is in the websites, there is also a subscribe button, okay. If it is embedded in the websites, it is going to have the subscribe button, but in most of the apps, it might not have a subscribe button. It might just generate the views. Correct. Now what happens if we disable embedding? Now let me show you with respect to one of the other video example. So on this particular video, I have actually removed allow embedding. Okay. Now what happens if I share this video? Okay, let me just quickly show you that. Let me just copy the link. And if you want to learn about TubeBuddy, how to install and how to better rank your videos, then make sure to watch this complete video. I have given the link of that in the info card at the top. So just click on that and you'll be able to watch this complete video. Now if I share this particular video link, okay, I've just shared this. Now if I just click on play, it says video unavailable, playback on other websites has been disabled by the video owner, right? It says watch on YouTube. That means I have to click on the link to go and watch on YouTube. Only then I'll be able to watch this particular video, right? And once we go there, certainly you have the option to like, right? You have the option to subscribe. So it's already subscribed, right? So that's where if you uncheck allow embedding, when somebody watches your video in other platforms, they come to your YouTube platform and they are going to, certainly you're going to get the views, likes, and also subscribe. Now what happens in websites, how exactly it works? Now say for example, okay, if I include that link which does not have allow embedding and put it in a website. Say for example, okay, you have a website where you also post your YouTube videos. In that case, say for example, I'm going to remove this particular video and I'm going to paste the TubeBuddy video. Okay, the tutorial of TubeBuddy. I'm just going to click on save. When I do that and when I refresh this page, you could see that it says video unavailable, playback on other websites has been disabled by the video owner. It gives an option watch on YouTube. When somebody clicks on watch on YouTube, it's again going to take back to YouTube screen. That's how exactly it works. Now here comes the point. Should you select allow embedding or not? Okay, so I'm going to tell you a couple of important things so that you can decide whether to select or unselect. Now say for example, okay, you are just started with YouTube and probably you are not getting any views from external source other than what you are posting. Maybe you are posting in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, something like that. In that case, you can uncheck this for every video that you are going to upload. Okay. Now say for example, you feel that okay, your video is also being shared in some of your websites or others are also sharing that, which can also help you to get views. In that case, make sure you have selected allow embedding. Now to give a small example, let me show you statistics of one of my video. So this is one of my video which has got over 1.5 crore views. Okay, so that's the total views on this particular video. Now if you see, there is something called as external, which has got 74,000 views. Now what exactly is external? External is nothing but it's actually the embedded views, right? Where somebody has put my video link in their website or some of the websites. That's where I'm actually getting the views. So if you remove that, if you uncheck that, then you are going to probably miss out on this, where they are embedding in their website and you are not going to get the views, right? So that's the thing that you need to consider. But as a beginner, if you feel that okay, you are only promoting in other platforms and if you really want the subscribers, then certainly you can uncheck this so that they directly land on your YouTube video. They are going to watch your video from YouTube and certainly they are going to subscribe as well. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. And if you're looking to grow your channel and if you're not getting views and subscribers, just click on this info link at the top and you'll be able to find a video on how you can identify trending videos for your channel and grow your channel as well. And if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. And do click on the end screens. There are multiple videos which can certainly help your YouTube channel growth. Do watch them and see you in the next video. Till then, take good care.